All right, Elaine, we're back with Mojo. We're doing a little quack quack thing. I want you to get the bumpers. That would be something good for Morgan to do with the dog. Quack. So the way you do it, quack. Quack. All right, come on, walk away, walk away. Always walk away. We're always walking away like we're leaving. Good boy. And then, all right, don't take it away yet, though. Don't take it away. Just pet him. Just pet him. And when you do take it away, quack. Do the other one right away. All right, now do act like we're just, you can just go like this. All right, you want to limit it to 3 throws. Good. Quack, quack, quack. Yep. See ya, girl.